Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your footage and creating a matching sequence. Once loaded, play through and mark each unwanted word using M. Make a duplicate audio track so you always have the original to revert to. Then zoom into the timeline, use the razor, C, to make tight cuts around the marked word and push the small segment aside. You do this now to isolate the word. Make sure edits are precise to avoid chopping adjacent speech or breaths. Once the word is isolated, decide. Delete and replace with room tone or repair using Adobe Audition. If deleting, capture a clean 1-2 second room tone from elsewhere, then paste it into the gap and trim to fit. Make sure to add short crossfades, 5 to 20 milliseconds, so breaths and consonants blend. If you prefer repair, right-click and choose Edit Clip in Adobe Audition, use spectral frequency repair to attenuate the word, then save. Premiere updates automatically. To finish, play the entire section at normal listening level and tweak clip gain, fades, and EQ so the edit is invisible. Render the segment for real-time playback. Export using 48K HZ audio for best compatibility. If you hear artifacts or robotic sounds, don't panic. Reopen the problem clip in Audition, use a narrower spectral brush and lower repair strength, or try replacing with a longer room tone slice. Then update Premiere and recheck the transition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.